This video is all about the new nail lamp at Aldi. I swear you could get like everything at Aldi. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven and I'm a fashion stylist and content creator. But on my channel, I talk about fashion, press-on nails, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. This video is all about the new nail lamp at Aldi. Yes, you heard that right. Aldi has a LED, UV LED, whatever it's called, nail lamp. I swear you could get like everything at Aldi, okay, at some point in time. They be having the most random stuff. Anyways, my mother picked this up, okay, and I tried it last night and I had to share it with y'all. Now, disclaimer, this may be sold out, but if not, run. When I say run to your nearest Aldi so you can pick it up, okay? In this video, I'll talk about the specs, the price, and if it is worth it or not. Basically, if I'll be replacing my old LED lamp with this one. With all that being said, let's get into the review. So it comes in this box. This is what it looks like. It's called the VISAGE. Apparently that's just an Aldi brand that they be naming stuff with, okay? But it's the VISAGE UV LED nail lamp. It has different drying times, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 99 seconds. And for 99 seconds, it's a low heat mode. It does come with the motion sensor, so as soon as you put your hands or your feet in, the light comes on. And the lamp is a 365 to 405 nm UV LED. The warranty is a 3-year warranty from the date of purchase, and then you have a 6-month warranty on removable parts, so I'm assuming the plate and the adapter. It is going to be a no-cost repair or replace. So make sure you call that number and register your product, okay? It comes with an instruction manual. So it comes with this adapter, and here is the lamp. Now, this one does have a removable plate on the bottom. Mine didn't even come with a plate on the bottom, okay? So I just using foil. It's real ghetto, I know, okay? It has a little like handprint where you can place your fingers and whatnot. And then of course it has the buttons to change the timers on the front. This is what the inside looks like with all the lights. The light color is like a violet, light purple color, which I love. This is $12.99. $12.99. Okay, for a UV nail lamp, $12.99. Okay, my nail lamp that I got on Amazon was probably about the same price, if not more. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it's replaced. It's going in the trash. I used this last night to do my toenails because I use gel polish on my toenails, and it works like a charm. Okay, my other nail lamp, I gotta put my toenails in there like multiple times to cure the top coat. This one did not have to do that. Now, I only tried it on the setting for 120 seconds. I did not try it on the other settings. I just did 120 because once I put my foot in, that's what it came up. So that's what I used, okay? And it was dry. Normally, with my other lamp, I got to put it in there multiple times, like 2 or 3 times to get it to dry. It's janky. I know, okay? But this one, she did that. She is that girl. I am obsessed. I wish we would have found this sooner because I would have got 2. Because just in case this one ever went out, I would have had another one. So I might have to be scouring the Aldis to get me one of these. So in conclusion, yes. Yes. I will be replacing my old nail lamp with this one. It works. It does what needs to be done. I do like that the plate at the bottom is removable in case you need to like clean it or anything like that. It's great. Okay, like I said, it dried my nails quick, and we love that. Okay, that was a very quick review because it wasn't a lot to go over, okay? And I got to get this out to y'all real quick. So it had to be a quick review. It is 1,000% worth it. If you can drive to your Aldi and find it, okay? We don't know if it's ever going to come back in stock. But I'll be sure to put the product number and everything that you may need in the description box below. Show it to your Aldi people, okay? And find out when it will be back in stock, if it's not in stock, or if there's another store that has it. Since you've made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget, honey, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, sis, watch this video, those pics specifically for you.